And some breaking news that we're following right now. The Supreme Court is preserving broad access to the abortion pill Mifepristone without an in-person visit to the doctor. This keeps a hold on a lower court's order that would have restricted the drug's availability as litigation over FDA safety regulations continues. ABC News' senior Washington reporter Devin Dwyer has more.
Alex, just a few moments ago, the Supreme Court acted to preserve broad access to the abortion pill Mifepristone and put on hold a lower court decision that would roll back the ability of women to receive the drug through telehealth appointments as litigation continues now over FDA's safety regulations. The practical impact of this decision is essentially the status quo. It means people who need the drug Mifepristone, both for abortions or for miscarriage treatment, can continue to receive it from doctors who prescribe it in a telehealth appointment and available then to pick up either at a pharmacy or receive the drug by mail. 1 in 4 women in the United States who get an abortion do so by getting medication from telehealth. And Mifepristone is the most widely used form of abortion medication in the United States, using more than 2/3 of abortions. Now, the court did not elaborate on its decision, Alex, but they did take an action that matches what the court did in a very similar case 2 years ago, keeping this decision by a lower court on hold while the litigation continues, likely now for at least another year or so before it comes back to the Supreme Court. 2 justices dissented from this move, Justice Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito. They disagreed with the approach, saying that both the drug makers in this case lacked standing to seek relief and that the lower court order should have been allowed to take effect nationwide. But practically speaking, it's a status quo decision, and that is a relief to abortion rights advocates, Alex, who have fought to keep this drug available, as many states around the country have banned abortion almost entirely, including in the state of Louisiana, and the pill has been one of the ways that women can seek that treatment if they need it. Alex?
All right, Devin Dwyer for us. Thank you.